Hi there, my name is Seva and I'm the founder of Klip Coupons. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable multiple coupons on your product page. Whether you want to show multiple product discounts or you want to show a product and shipping discount on your product page, you'll want to enable the multiple coupons option within Klip. To get started, head over to the Klip app, go to Settings tab, and here under Storefront Settings, we'll see the option Show Multiple Coupons. By default, this will be disabled. You'll want to go ahead and enable the option and click Save. Now you can show multiple coupons on your product page. If you'd like to set a limit for the amount of coupons that could show, for example, if you have 5 coupons that are set for the same product, but you only want to show the 2 highest value discounts, here under maximum coupons to show on a product page, you can set this to whatever number you like, in this case 2, and click Save. And that will limit the amount of coupons that are able to be shown on your product page.